Moment of truth, guys. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Cook with the Chens. Today we're gonna cook this chicken lemon sauce recipe. Chicken thighs with lemon sauce recipe. It's another chicken thigh recipe. And the ingredients that you need are actually down below in the description. So if you're wondering, in the previous videos as well, they're all on the description. So what you need are 4 chicken thighs, onions that are cut this way.
What way is that?
I don't know, lengthwise? I don't know, thinly sliced onion cut. Brown sugar, white wine, chicken stock, and half a lemon. We're gonna juice that later. We already cut half of our onion. I'm just gonna try to show you guys exactly what we want. So we just want to cut it this way, really thinly. Actually, before we continue, I want you guys to turn on, I keep forgetting to say that. I want you guys to turn on your oven at 420. So we're just gonna season this with salt. I seasoned 3 of them already. So we're just gonna season the last one with that much salt and that much pepper. Follow me. A non-stick pan that is also oven safe. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and turn your heat into medium-high heat. So we are ready to add our chicken. Again, cook it skin side down first for about 6 minutes. So don't touch it. Now we wait. So it's been 6 minutes. So we're gonna just turn it over and cook it for another 6 minutes. Look at that, golden brown. So let's just wait for 6 more minutes and leave it. 6 minutes later, we're just gonna put it aside and then cook our sauce before we pop it in the oven. And we're gonna add our onions, just like that. We're gonna cook the onions until it's a little soft. It's gonna absorb all that chicken juice and oil. It's gonna give and add flavor to the onion. 3 to 4 minutes. Your onion should look like this. Very translucent and soft. So now we're just gonna add our wine. We need half a cup of wine. Any dry white wine that you drink, yeah, you can use any of that. So just add it. So half a cup. And we're basically going to just reduce the wine until it's almost reduced to half. So just let it do its thing there while the onions absorb a lot of the flavor of the wine. After about a minute or 2, the alcohol should be cooked by now and your liquid should be reduced to half. For those of you who are wondering what we just use regular Sauvignon Blanc wine. So now we're just gonna add our chicken stock, 1/2 cup of chicken stock. And as well as our half a lemon juiced. Our 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we'll just mix it. We're also going to add salt and pepper to taste. So about a teaspoon each. And we're going to let it simmer for maybe a minute or 2. We're gonna taste it and we're gonna adjust the taste before we put back the chicken and then pop it in the oven. So after about a minute, of it being simmered. We're just gonna taste it. What we're looking for is this very sweetish, tangy, lemony taste. Of course, you should be able to taste the salt, so if it's not that salty enough, then adjust and add. Perfect. So now we're just gonna add our chicken back into the pan. And we're just gonna garnish it with some of the lemon, or half of the lemon actually. We're gonna pop this in the oven for 12 minutes. I tell Alexa to set a timer for 12 minutes. Echo, set a timer for 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, according to Echo. Echo, be careful, it's hot. Don't be dumb. Now we're just being extra and trying to plate. The beautiful thing about this recipe is that you can eat it with anything. You can eat it with rice, for those of you who love rice. You can eat it with salad, like we have here. We have kale salad. Or you can eat it by itself, really. So, there you have it, guys. You cooked another meal this week. Look at this beautiful, yummy chicken thigh. Anyway, let us know how it turns out for you guys. If you can, leave some comments down below. I think that's how they do it in YouTube world. But again, I hope you guys are staying sane, stay safe and clean. Week 5, right? For a lot of us. Some of you are week 4, but yeah, keep at it. We're gonna get through it together. Stay at home as much as possible, as much as you can, and just experiment with food and cook. Yeah, so see you guys next time. Truth, guys. Let's see how good it is.
Crispy skin. It's like a sour sweet. Not bad for a Wednesday lunch. Still hot.